Hi everyone! Welcome back to our Tech Tuesday Tip series. In our previous episodes, we looked at how to write effective AI prompts and shaping the output into ready-to-use activities. Today, we'll apply those ideas to grammar instruction. Have you ever found it challenging to explain a grammar point to your students? You understand it, but putting it into clear words can be harder than it sounds. You want the explanation to be accurate, easy to understand, not too technical, not too long, and directly connected to practice. AI tools can help you draft both explanations and activities when you give them the right prompts. Let's begin with a learning objective. For this example, I'll use English, but the same process works for any language. The objective is students will understand and use must, have to, and should to express obligation and advice. Here's a good prompt. Explain how to use must, have to, and should to express obligation and advice for low-intermediate students. Include 3 short real-life examples. Keep the explanation concise and avoid complex grammar terminology. All right, let's test it out. Now, let's take a look at what the AI generated. You'll notice the explanations are written in clear, simple language. Each structure is clearly labeled and followed by a short, practical example. As we scroll down, you can see the same consistent pattern throughout. That consistency helps students easily compare the structures and understand their differences. At the end, we also get the 3 short real-life examples we asked for, along with a brief summary to reinforce the key points. Now that we have a clear explanation, let's add practice so students can apply the structure right away. In episode 2, we talked about shaping AI output by clearly defining the format, and we're using that same approach here. Let's add this prompt. Create 6 short sentences for low-intermediate students to choose between must, have to, and should. Include clear student instructions at the top. Provide an answer key at the end. And just like that, while your tea steeps, a complete grammar mini lesson comes together, explanation and practice included. Here's your 1-minute challenge. Pick 1 grammar point from your next lesson. Use the same approach. Review, tweak, and see how much faster your prep becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.